My first episode was I had what ended up being a herniated disc on my right side. I'd been having some back pain. I had never been to a chiropractor before. A friend of mine realized I was having pain and had suggested I come here. And one Sunday night, I guess just everything broke loose, and I ended up bent over sleeping on a couch all night long. I could not lay down. I couldn't sit down. And I called my friend the next morning. I said, "What doctor did you say?" And my daughter brought me down, and he started treatment immediately.
And how are you today?
I'm doing great. I've been through 2 herniated discs since then. We worked through the first one, and I had one on the other side just this last summer. And Dr. Davenport was very instrumental in assisting with that. That you're kind of like, the pain just doesn't end, you know, and it's just excruciating. So it's hard to focus on, am I going to get, you want to be normal again, but it just seems like it's not going to happen. It is possible to get through this. It's not fun, but there is an end to it, you know, at least there was for me. I'm not big on taking drugs. I'm not excited about being cut open on. And he works a lot with a lot of health type incentives rather than synthetic drugs, which is very helpful. I think it's better to work in that side of things. As Dr. Davenport has shown me, he is indeed a doctor. He's been very thorough, very caring. In fact, he's gone into great detail explaining and showing me in detail what's going on. In fact, I felt like I've gotten better care in a lot of ways than I did from a lot of different doctors I've seen. So I would highly recommend anybody to come. Yeah, it was very severe. In fact, the last disc that I had, they felt they were going to probably have to do surgery, and he was trying to work to the point where I wouldn't have to, and thankfully I did not. They're very warm. They're caring. They immediately are asking how you're doing, what they can do to keep you comfortable while you're waiting for your appointment time. Very, very gentle with you. I've never had anybody treat me wrong here. Everybody's always been very, very pleasant.